I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success. Today I want to talk to you about an app that will help you be successful. Let's talk about KineMaster. This video is not sponsored by KineMaster or any other services. When you first open up KineMaster, when you use the free version, you're going to see a commercial. Just tap the Continue to App on the top right-hand corner. Now what you want to do is go to Create New, and since we're making a YouTube video, I'm going to hit that 16:9 and hit Next. This will take you immediately to your media browser. Click on the camera, and then you're going to want to download whatever media that you're going to use. I will add some more in just a moment, but first, let's start with what we have here and see what it says. Let's get into it. Now, this is going to be a video that I will make for you so you can see it next time. However, let's take a look at adding media to this now that we know we have the right media on it. So click on Media. And this time I'm going to go to Movies because I'm going to start downloading all these movies that are going to talk about what I want to talk about. And just download them one at a time. Right here when I was trying to download this one, it says editing or previewing this video clip may cause an error. So keep that in mind for down the road. If you need to re-record because it doesn't understand what's on there, you'll have to do that. It did download it, as you can see, so we can keep going. Keep on going. When you are downloading all the information, make sure that you're downloading short clips. The reason for that is because longer clips will slow down the programming and make it more difficult to edit. That's one thing I encourage you to do. Whenever you are recording, make sure you're recording for the edit. It makes life a lot easier. Now let's look and see what this is saying. Let's get into it. You are just starting out with your channel. Want to know how to look for ideas? The audio on that is way too low and I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is tap the video right there and then go to the volume button up on the top right, and I'm going to hit auto volume. Hit the check mark and let's listen to it again. If you are just starting out with your channel and want to know how to look. If you didn't notice, the volume is more reasonable and level with the intro. Let's see if we can hear those together. Let's get into it. If you are just starting out with your channel. You see how similar they are? That's what you want to do. As you can see, all these videos that are in here are different clips, and it's in a different shape than what's actually going to be used for YouTube. But because my next video is going to require these things to be up like that, that's how it's going to look. This one I downloaded for the strict purpose of making an easy show and tell on this. That's not something that I actually need. So to get rid of it, all you do is you tap on it and you hit delete. Very simple. You can also add by going back to media, going to camera, and selecting the media that you want to add to it. Now go through and listen to everything and make sure you chop it up so that it ends up being the way you like it. Each one of these can be edited individually by tapping on it. Tap on it and it'll pull up this menu right here, which can make all kinds of adjustments. You can cut, which will give you different trim options, adjust the volume, change the speed, reverse it, replace it, pan and zoom, rotate mirroring. All these other options are really something that you need to explore on your own as you need to. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a better YouTuber.